Hey, welcome back to my channel, Dash of Luxe. And if you're new here, welcome. So glad you decided to stop by and watch this video. If you're not new to my channel, then you know that I love to shop. It's a little bit of a sickness. So every time I go out of town on vacation, I like to do a little bit of shopping. And I recently took a trip to Hawaii and I bought a few things. I bought a handbag from Louis Vuitton, which I've already unboxed on this channel. And if you're interested in that video and you haven't seen it already, I'll leave the link in the description box. But I ended up buying a couple of more things from other stores, from Dior and also from Hermes. And I'm so excited because this is my first Hermes purchase and probably not the last one. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from those stores, then keep watching. I'm going to start first with what I picked up from Hermes, just because this has been on my wish list forever. And I don't know why I never pulled the trigger and bought it, but I have not seen this since I bought it on my vacation. So it's almost like I am seeing it for the first time, right? So there we go. And ooh, beautiful dust bag. And I picked up the Click H bracelet in the black and the silver colorway. And I still love it. Like I said, this has been on my wish list for a long time. And I either wanted the black and the silver, or I wanted a colored one, like the orange one, or I believe there's a turquoise one. But for my first one, I decided to just go with the traditional black because it'll go with everything. And when I was trying it on in the store, I couldn't figure out if I wanted the small one or the medium large one. This is actually considered the GM. I just decided to go with the GM because I like a looser fitting bracelet. So I really like this, and yeah, I can see myself getting like another color maybe. And my wonderful sales associate also gave me one of their free magazines, Le Monde Hermes, which means the world of Hermes. And so I am so looking forward to just going through this and getting to know a little bit more about Hermes and their philosophy and their products. So super excited. My next purchase is from Dior, and this is something that was on my wish list a few years ago, and then I took it off, and then I recently put it back on because I saw another version of it that I liked a lot. So let's take a look at it. I picked up a scarf. So this is the two-tone scarf, and it's the 90 centimeter version. I originally wanted the scarf in just the oblique navy color, and then I saw someone on Instagram with the two-tone color, and I was like, that's like getting two scarves in one, right? I'm all about trying to maximize my dollar when I'm buying luxury. But I mean, burgundy is one of my favorite colors, and burgundy has been trending in fashion lately. So I was like, okay, this is coming home with me. And I think there's just so many ways that you can wear this scarf. This is the largest size, I believe. And so, I mean, if you're small enough, you can even wear it as a little kind of triangle shirt. But of course you can wear it as a shawl, or just like a scarf around your neck, or a headscarf, or maybe if you're small enough you could tie it around your waist like a sarong. So It's 100% silk. And I just think it's a really good investment. And I think I got the Hawaii pricing on this. In Hawaii, some of their luxury items are discounted. And so when I got home, I looked up the price online and it was $70 more than what I paid. So I think I got the Hawaii pricing on this. So very happy about that. Very excited about this purchase. Dior sales associates are always so nice and helpful. I always enjoy going into the Dior store. I don't have a Dior store where I live, so I knew for sure that I kind of wanted something from Dior. I also looked at some of their handbags and I was very, very tempted into buying a handbag. I really liked the Montaigne and I tried it on and I really liked it, but I ended up buying something from Louis Vuitton. And I always have a budget and I stuck to my budget on this trip, and I'm so glad I did, because it kind of makes, you know, shopping more enjoyable when you don't overspend and you have the amount of money that you know you want to spend. And yeah, had a really good time in Hawaii and so happy with my purchases. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, but you love luxury content, then please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.